historic thirst. Former FBI Director James Comey faces indictment. Breaking news has shaken the nation. James Comey, the former head of the Federal Bureau of Investigation, has been charged with 2 serious offenses: making false statements and obstructing Congress. This marks a groundbreaking moment in U.S. history, as Comey becomes the first ex-FBI director ever to face indictment. But here's where it gets controversial. Critics argue this case reflects a deeper conflict between executive power and legislative accountability. The probe centers on Comey's testimony before Congress in September 2020 regarding the Crossfire Hurricane investigation, which looked into potential ties between then-President Trump and Russia. According to Fox News, investigators allege Comey lied about his actions during this critical inquiry. The charges were filed mere days before the statute of limitations would expire, raising questions about timing and intent. This development follows a sharp rebuke from President Donald Trump, who criticized Attorney General Pam Bondi for not holding prominent Democrats accountable. Trump specifically named Democratic Senator Adam Schiff, New York Attorney General Letitia James, and Comey as targets of his frustration. "Justice must be served now," he declared, sparking debates about the balance of power in American governance. But wait, this isn't the first time an FBI leader faced legal trouble. In 1978, L. Patrick Gray, who served as acting director in 1972, was indicted for allegedly authorizing warrantless searches. However, Gray was never confirmed as director, and his charges were later dismissed. This contrast highlights how the legal landscape has evolved over decades. What does this mean for the future? Some argue that Comey's case underscores the risks of politicizing investigations, while others see it as a necessary check on power. As we reflect on this landmark moment, we must ask, should former officials be held to the same standards as current ones? What does this say about the integrity of our legal system? Stay tuned as more details emerge, and consider sharing your thoughts in the comments below. After all, justice is a conversation, and every perspective matters.